Well, hello guys, and welcome back to Becoming Self-Sufficient. This is the pilot episode of Season 2. My name is Josh Davey, and I am super excited to be with you today. On today's episode, what we'll be doing is discussing what's coming up this season, the new things that we're going to explore, the new adventures that we're going to go on, and how we can work each and every day by doing something small to becoming self-sufficient. So guys, if you would like to, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around for this journey. Well guys, I can't express my excitement that you're on this journey with me to becoming self-sufficient. I'm so excited that you've joined the army and that we can learn together on all the different things that we can do to become more self-sufficient. So like Season 1, Season 2 is going to have a lot of heavy garden-based focus. All the things that we can do in our backyard that no matter how small are taking us on this journey to becoming self-sufficient. But there's a whole lot more coming this season, which I am so excited about. I live in Australia. I'm on the Central Coast in New South Wales, and there is a lot of foraging that I could do. And here in Australia, we call all our wild foods, fruits, berries, bush tucker. So we're going to go on a bush tucker adventure. We're going to do some coastal foraging down by the sea and look at all the wonderful different types of seaweed, all the different forms of protein that can be found right on our doorstep just down the road. I'm going to set up that bow that I got in Season 1 and just start to explore the art of hunting and different ways that I can get more protein for the family if it ever came down to a survival situation. And finally, I'm going to look at some aquaponics this season. I'm going to look at getting some food grade marron or yabbies, or for those of you who are watching overseas, freshwater crayfish, how I can farm them in my backyard for an extra form of protein, and what sort of aquatic freshwater plants that I can grow so that I've got year-round constant supply of fresh fruits and vegetables. I am so excited for this season, guys. I am so excited that you're here on this journey with me. So I hope you stick around. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the journey for Season 2 on Becoming Self-Sufficient.